Hello everyone, you're on the channel Ukraine Will Win. Today, we're diving into some incredibly positive and strategic developments for Ukraine. In a world where resources are the lifeblood of a nation's strength and resilience, Ukraine has just made some massive leaps forward, securing its future and bolstering its defense capabilities in truly remarkable ways. These aren't just small wins. They are game-changing moves that will have a lasting impact on the path to victory. So what are these key resources and how exactly did Ukraine secure them? Let's break it all down. First up, let's talk about energy independence. This has been a critical vulnerability for Ukraine for decades, but the tides are turning dramatically. Recent geological surveys, confirmed by international partners, have uncovered vast, previously untapped natural gas reserves in western Ukraine. We're talking about reserves that could potentially meet the country's domestic needs for the next 20 years. This is monumental. Securing these reserves means Ukraine can drastically reduce its reliance on foreign energy imports, which have often been used as a tool of political pressure. The government, in partnership with leading European energy firms, has already fast-tracked the development of extraction infrastructure. This isn't just a long-term plan. Drilling operations are set to begin within the next year. This move strengthens Ukraine's economic sovereignty and removes a significant lever of influence that has been used against it. It means more resources can be funneled directly into defense and reconstruction rather than paying for expensive foreign gas. It's a strategic masterstroke for long-term stability. Next, we shift our focus to the technological front, specifically in the realm of rare earth minerals. These elements are the essential building blocks for modern technology. From advanced military guidance systems and drones to green energy components like wind turbines and electric vehicle batteries. Ukraine has now confirmed significant deposits of lithium, cobalt, and titanium, placing it among the top potential suppliers in Europe. A landmark agreement has just been signed with a consortium of Canadian and Australian mining companies to develop these resources responsibly and ethically. This deal includes not just the extraction but also the establishment of processing facilities right here in Ukraine. Why is this so important? It breaks the global monopoly held by other nations on these critical materials. For Ukraine, it means direct access to the components needed for its burgeoning domestic defense industry. Imagine Ukrainian-made drones and high-tech equipment built with Ukrainian-sourced materials. This creates a secure, resilient supply chain that is immune to external disruptions. It also positions Ukraine as a key player in the future of global technology and green energy, attracting further investment and strengthening alliances. But securing resources isn't just about what's in the ground. It's also about securing financial and military hardware. In a historic vote, the international coalition supporting Ukraine has approved a new multi-year financial aid package. This isn't just another tranche of support. It's a long-term commitment that provides predictability and allows for strategic planning. The package is specifically designed to fund everything from soldier salaries and ammunition production to large-scale infrastructure projects. This long-term financial security allows the Ministry of Defense to make multi-year contracts with arms manufacturers, ensuring a steady and reliable flow of essential equipment. It takes the hand-to-mouth uncertainty out of the equation and replaces it with a solid foundation for sustained defense efforts. This sends a powerful message that Ukraine's partners are in it for the long haul, committed to seeing Ukraine through to victory and beyond. And furthermore, a significant portion of these new funds is earmarked for a revolutionary initiative, the Ukrainian Shield program. This program focuses on developing and deploying a multi-layered, integrated air defense system across the entire country. We're talking about a combination of cutting-edge Western systems and domestically produced innovations. The goal is to create a near impenetrable dome of protection over Ukrainian cities and critical infrastructure. Contracts have already been signed for additional Patriot, Iris-T, and NASAM systems. But the exciting part is the investment in Ukrainian-developed solutions. Local engineers are making incredible strides in radar technology and interceptor missiles. By integrating these domestic systems with Western ones, Ukraine is creating a unique, robust defense network tailored to its specific needs. This will save countless lives, protect the economy, and allow the country to function with a much greater degree of normality, even while the conflict continues. Now let's talk about the human element, which is arguably the most vital resource of all. Ukraine is launching a massive new training and technology integration program for its armed forces. In partnership with NATO allies, specialized training centers are being established right here in Ukraine. These centers will focus on advanced combined arms tactics, drone warfare, electronic warfare, and cyber defense. But it's not just about training, it's about equipping soldiers with the best technology possible. Every brigade will be outfitted with a new generation of secure communication systems, real-time battlefield intelligence platforms, and advanced medical kits. This initiative aims to elevate the technological superiority of every single Ukrainian soldier, turning tactical advantages into strategic victories. It's an investment in the skill, safety, and effectiveness of Ukraine's defenders, ensuring they have the upper hand on the modern battlefield. Another brilliant development is the establishment of the Rebuild Ukraine Infrastructure Fund. This is a dedicated international fund, managed by a board of Ukrainian and international experts, focused solely on the rapid reconstruction of critical infrastructure. The first projects are already greenlit, repairing and modernizing key bridges, power stations, and water treatment facilities. The fund uses a transparent, fast-track procurement process to ensure that work begins immediately and is completed efficiently. What's ingenious is that it prioritizes using Ukrainian labor and materials wherever possible, which helps to restart local economies and create jobs. This isn't waiting for the war to end to start rebuilding. It's rebuilding as a form of resistance. Restoring a bridge isn't just a logistical improvement, it's a symbol of resilience, a message that Ukraine is building its future even as it defends its present. Finally, we have a major breakthrough in the agricultural sector. Ukraine has secured a landmark deal with a global shipping and insurance consortium to ensure the safe passage of its grain exports through newly established green corridors in the Black Sea. These corridors will be monitored by a neutral third-party satellite and drone surveillance, providing security assurances for commercial vessels. This deal is crucial. It not only unlocks a vital revenue stream for the Ukrainian economy, but also reinforces Ukraine's role as a guarantor of global food security. By getting its grain back to the world market, Ukraine helps to stabilize food prices in developing nations and demonstrates its reliability as an international partner. This move undermines attempts to weaponize hunger and showcases Ukraine's commitment to global stability. It's a powerful combination of economic necessity and diplomatic victory. So when we put all these pieces together, energy independence, control over critical minerals, long-term financial and military backing, a powerful new air defense shield, advanced soldier training, a rapid reconstruction fund, and secured agricultural exports, the picture becomes clear. Ukraine is not just holding the line, it is systematically building a foundation for a strong, sovereign, and prosperous future. Each of these developments is a massive win in its own right. Together they represent a strategic turning point. They show a nation that is resourceful, innovative, and backed by unwavering international support. This is the path to victory. It's a path paved with smart strategy, resilience, and an unbreakable will to win. Thank you for joining me on Ukraine Will Win. The future is bright, and with every step like these, victory gets closer. Please like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on all the positive news. Slava Ukraini!